Hey guys, recently I did a cover of Shout to the Lord, and I just wanted to share with you how to do that song and play it on the piano and do a tutorial of it real quick. I'm doing the song in the key of E for my voice. So real quickly, I want to show you this little technique that you do in the intro and in the verses, where it goes. You do that like this. So, and what that is it's kind of, let me play the whole chord. You're switching between the E, the F sharp minor over E, and the E, but the E is flipped to a first inversion. But we're not going to play the top note. We're not going to play the fifth, or the one in this case of that. So we're just going to play. Now the same way down here on the bottom when we're playing this B chord, we're playing the B, the C sharp minor, and the B. But we're going to play the bottom two thirds, the bottom third there. And that's how you would do that. You're vamping off of the 1 chord and the 5 chord. And so it's just a pattern. And so many times, because I know what I'm trying to do there, I won't even write that whole pattern out. I'll just put like the 1 chord with the asterisk, the 5 chord with an asterisk. And then somewhere I can put that little asterisk somewhere and write what my pattern is, 4 off of that chord. And so that's the pattern we're doing. So we're going to do the intro, and we're going to start out with My Jesus. So my Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. So after that 1-5 pattern, we're going to the 6 minor, 5-4. That is in the key of E. We're doing the C sharp minor, the B, the A. I know it's a little difficult if you haven't or not used to playing in E. And then we're going to go back. You just keep practicing it though, and you'll get better at it. Go to the 4. All of my days, I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. Now we're going to repeat everything we just did again. My comfort, my shelter, tower of refuge and strength, let every breath, all that I am, never cease to worship you. And then now we're into the chorus, which takes on this pattern. It's shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. That's a 1, a 6 minor, 4 over 5. We're doing that. Power and majesty, praise to the King. So you're doing that twice. Then we're going to switch up and do something different. Here we're going to go 6 minor, C sharp minor. Mountains bow down and the seas will roar. That's a C sharp minor. C sharp minor over B. A. And then we're going to go to the 5 at the sound. That's B. 6 minor, which is a C sharp minor. Of your. That's a 5 over 7. B over D sharp. Nay. And this is going to be the different part. We're going to go. we're still going to keep that B, that 5, but we're going to switch from a B over, or 5 over 7 to a 5 over 2. From a B over D sharp to a B over F sharp. So we're going name. You can do it this way. Name. Oh, and then you can repeat that whole thing again. I sing for joy at the work of your hand. Forever I love you. Forever I stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. Now, how you do that last part? When you hit that one chord, you're going to go back to that pattern we was doing, that asterisk basically, that to the 5. You're doing that intro, and instead of doing the second part of the 5, that B, you're going to go to a 2 minor over 5, or that F sharp minor. Going back to the verse on that from that 2 minor. From that 2 minor. Now, when you want to end the song, basically you're doing the chorus, you're going, I sing for joy at the work of your hand. Forever I love you. Forever I'll stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in. And you're going to go, to repeat it, you're just going to go back to the 1. Nothing compares to the promise I have in. So you're just doing the 1 to the 6 minor, 4, 4 over 5. That's E, C sharp minor, A over B. And you're going to do it again. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. And you're just in it that way. I sing for joy at the work of your hand. Forever I'll love you. Forever I'll stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. So you're just repeating that a different way, that second and third time of that repeat. Alright guys, that is it for this song, Shout to the Lord. It's the intro, how to play it, the verse, the chorus, how to repeat to do the ending, putting it all together. If you want to hear it all in its finished form, go check out the cover over here to the side. Go ahead and click that. Go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. Keep watching, keep growing, and as always, God bless.